Shaggy Dog had an itch on his back. He scratched against a tree, but his back was still itchy. "Will you scratch my back?" Shaggy the dog asked Minnie the poodle. "Ew," said Minnie the poodle. "Scratch your back? Ooh, no thank you. I'm off to the poodle parlour for a wash and a trim." "I'll scratch your back," said Farmer Gertie. "But first you must help me round up all my sheep." The sheep were hiding, and it took ages to find them. "Woof! Woof!" barked Shaggy the dog. "Come here, sheep, come here now." Farmer Gertie used her curling hook to scratch Shaggy the dog's back. "Oh," said Shaggy the dog, "that's much better." Walks into town. The itch came back. Shaggy the dog knocked on the window of Merv's calf. "Who will scratch the itch on my back?" he asked. "I will," said Merv. "But first you must wash my pots and pans." Shaggy Dog washed towers and towers of pots and pans. Bubbles covered his legs and got into his mouth. And when he had finished, his paws were all wrinkly. Merv used a long fork to scratch Shaggy Dog's back. "Oh, oh," said Shaggy Dog. "That's much better." But when Shaggy Dog left the calf, the itch came back. Shaggy Dog popped into Mary Lou's poodle parlour. "Will you scratch the itch on my back?" asked Shaggy the dog. "Okay," said Mary Lou, "but only if you brush up all the fur on the floor." Shaggy Dog brushed up mountains and mountains of poodle fur. It got up his nose, and when he had finished, he had fur in his ears and his eyes too. "Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!" he sneezed. Shaggy Dog shook out all the fur, and Mary Lou used the poodle brush to scratch his back. "Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!" said Shaggy Dog. "That's much, much, much better." But when Mary Lou stopped scratching, the itch came back. "What can I do?" asked Shaggy Dog. "Sit in the chair," said Mary Lou. "I'll wash and trim you." The bubbly shampoo soothed Shaggy Dog's back. "Ooh, ooh, ooh, ooh," said Shaggy Dog. The poodle scissors tickled and went snip, snip, snip. "Hee," giggled Shaggy Dog. When Mary Lou had finished trimming Shaggy the Dog's fur, Shaggy the Dog felt wonderful. The itch had gone at last. But where did it go? Oh